how to initiate Firecrawl inside of n8n with your API keys. First of all, we're gonna have to add this node for Firecrawl. All you need to do is just search for Firecrawl. Once you've added a Firecrawl, it's gonna be, yep, you're gonna see that it's here. The second thing we're gonna do is create new credentials, and then we're gonna go to Firecrawl, go to sign up. Once you're in sign up, we're just gonna go sign up again. That didn't work, and I'm just gonna select continue with Google because that's the easiest way to go about it. I'm gonna select that email and do that. Once you're inside, you are just gonna click away on all of this. We don't really care about this at all. Scroll to the bottom, yeah, whatever. Once you've done all of that, perfect. Then you go to the left side, you'll see the API key. Copy the API key, go back to n8n, paste the API key, save, and I mean, you could rename this if you want to. I usually do that just to know which is which. And then you're done. That's pretty much it. And then scrape URL, whatever URL you want to scrape. I don't know if you want to scrape that, run it. And there you go. That's how you connect Firecrawl to n8n.